dear laddies. My name is Tom Fogstop. What's it? What was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so we're gonna do another video. Yeah, this is a 3 for 3. Except you guys will never see one of them. Anyway. Yeah, so we're gonna do 2 matches today with 2 Pokemon. That's it. Damn, the loading screen looks nice. Never knew it looked that nice. Right, who cares about that? I don't want to be told how many deals you got from me. Just know I'll never buy any of them. Anyway, first Pokemon is gonna be Machamp. Let's go in. Don't know if I should make this a quick match. I'll just do standard for now. Holy crap, that little bonus is still going. Yeah, 20 days worth of bonus, 30 for the other one. Last video, pretty sure you remember that. Alright, let's go in. The shock. Oh, okay. Now I just gotta be able to pick my guy quickly before anyone else does. And we did it. Perfect. I'm gonna be real, I've never played with this guy before. I hope I have everything correctly. These, I think, are correctly. I don't think the item is. I use an XP just in case. And yeah, I think that's it. Hawaiian style Machamp. We also got Rockstar Machamp. We got Dandy Man Machamp. Whatever that is, Machamp. Why, cool shot, and we got this guy Machamp, but we're gonna use Hawaiian style Machamp because yeah, he's funny looking. Also, I think I'm in a server full of bots. Could be wrong about that. I don't know. Oh no, actually, this guy right here and this person, also this one, I think those are real folk, and I am screwed. Oh well, it can't be that bad if they're just like, you know, all max leveled. Like, have a bunch of time with these guys. As I said, I'm not very experienced with this guy, so I'm hoping only for the best. Okay. I'm not gonna let this guy level up at all, by the way. Just defensive guy. Yeah. There we go. Just gonna take some of these. Why is he going up? There's no one up here. Oh. Why are you up here? Oh crap. Oh wait, actually. Beat his ass, yeah! Who said you could go? No, buddy. You're gonna. Whoops, I missed that one. Whoopsie, that's fine. Well, that's a pretty good start right off the bat. Scored a bunch. Well, let me do something. Oh, yeah, you could be up there in the top corner. Now just heal a bit. Yo, we need the middle guy to go down. I don't know why he's up here. Clearly, his priorities are not straight because bottom guys down here are gonna suffer a lot. Look at, oh my gosh. Okay. I'm coming, little guys. Right after I kill this guy. Okay. Submission is a pretty good move. Yeah, no comment further on that, I'm gonna be honest. Look at that. Submission. You just like RKO him. Oh, now there's 4 of us down here. That's wonderful. Okay, stay down there. Gosh. Yeah, of course he's dead. I'm sorry, man. That's my bad. In all honesty. Yeah, get ratioed. Get ratioed, bozo. Oh, yes. Yeah. Look at this. Damn. Okay, helping off. Look normal. Right, y'all? close combat's pretty good. Anyway, this gone. Because of course it is. God damn, bottom is not doing so good, and that scares me. Okay, yeah, I'm going bottom. Oh, they're all down there. That's why. Okay, buddy, buddy, buddy. Yeah, that's all on you. Yeah, get him. Get his ass. Get his ass. Beat his ass. Yeah, beat his asses. Beat his asses. Don't let any of them get up. Alright, it's pretty good. It's going pretty good. It's going pretty good for us. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah, my teammates are definitely bots. They're going straight up for the other guy. They're not even trying to defeat this guy, which is pretty useful. Let's use some buffs. Like, they're not even going for this. Yeah. I swear, if we lose top because they didn't defeat him, that is going to be quite bad. Oh my gosh, they're leaving. We... okay. They're leaving me. Because, yeah, that's not good. So what's going on is, we're getting destroyed somehow. Oh, hey. Get over here, you bozo! No one beats my friends. Ah, with the power of, oh no. Okay, I tried. Oh no. What? That's not a good thing. Oh no, that's not a good thing at all. Uh-oh. Is all I gotta say. Look at this puzzle. Look at this puzzle. Get back over here. Who said you could leave? Ah! Rah! Rah! Also... destroyed. Destroyed. Die! Oh, I'm dead. Oh, probably like those rocks around them. Man, I hate playing with bots. They redirect targets so... oh my gosh! Oh, okay, I lost bottom too apparently. What are you doing? You're supposed to be defending, my guy. Oh, that was a bad choice of you. Get back over here. Rah. Oh, that's not a good thing. You're dead. Oh no, I'm dead. Yep. Really? Y'all went for that? I mean, I really hate bots, man. No, I won't let you do that. No more. Get back over here. Gosh, you got so many levels. Look at that. Oh, I'm killing you, because if you get up there, you're gonna be defending the hell out of them. Look at how much health my guy has. God damn. Oh, stop. Oh my gosh, he killed me with that. Eldergoss, you're not gonna kill it. I'm just gonna say, you're level 10, he's level 12. Oh, and they got that too. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them up here. Oh, what? Okay, yeah, that's GG's. What are they doing down there? Beating a guy who's dead. Going for the tower that's not even like done at all. And this. Okay. Okay. What we could do here is like... what is this? I don't know why he didn't use the jump pad. Jump pad's quite fast. Yeah, I'm already where he's at. Okay. So now we're all going up for this one. Pretty good idea. Okay, we're good. I just need someone to back me up, please. Okay, no, good. Oh, that's not good. Treasure died. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna be blocking this for now. What is he doing? Oh no, that's... I don't know where they're coming to, but that's not good. There he is. Get his ass! Get his ass! Beat his ass! Alright, now we gotta get the big bird. Get his ass! Yeah! Yeah! Okay, we won. GG's. Nice. Okay, we won. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Doing so much freaking damage. It's fine now. Okay, you go for that one. You can definitely take that one over. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna do this, and then I skedaddle, because I gotta protect the base now. They're gonna be a fun, but this isn't, so I gotta protect them now. Okay. Perfect. Nice. Oh, they're not leaving. Alright, now we gotta go here and defeat this thing. It's not gonna do too much, but... Okay, now you were the reason why I hate this so much. Stop! Stop resisting! Calm down! Okay, I'm just gonna like push you away and skedaddle, because I really can't beat this guy. Yeah, I'm good out here. I could just heal. Oh. Okay, now he's dead. I don't know why he did that. That's kind of dumb. Yeah, look at him. You're dead! And yeah. Damn. Very big clutch up. And that's game. First one of 2. Okay. Outstanding victory! Woohoo! I wonder who clutched. Damn. Yippee! Okay, y'all. Good game. Next game is gonna be beginning shortly. Whoa. Alright. Now I must pick a different Pokemon. And that Pokemon will be Ninetales. Just gonna favorite that. Should I change fit? Sure. Bulbasaur. Maybe. Well, the others would seem like blonde. Ugh. I'd rather have green misty hair than blonde. Nothing against it, it's just that it doesn't look good on the character. Speed match? Probably should have done quick match, honestly. It's like only 5 minutes instead of 10. Oh no. It shouldn't go wrong though, right? It shouldn't go wrong. It definitely shouldn't. It was supposed to be 12 seconds ago. What the fuck? Quick. Oh, never mind. I was about to do a quick match, but I guess not. Whoa. Okay. So this person right here bought the battle pass. Anyhow. Oh no. No, I am Ninetales. Guess I'll do top S again. do I want to give Ninetales? I think I want to give Ninetales escape trap. Or eject button. Man, I've only had some of these. This one's actually a pretty good one. Not because of the animation itself, but yeah, it's a pretty good skin. And there's the other ones. But I'm stuck with default. I don't have the money, man. Wait, hey, I got some actual people on my team this time around. Yeah, okay. Pretty good. Damn, I'm scared of this fool right here. 143 levels on the battle pass. Damn. Yeah, I'm not gonna fare very good against them, but hopefully I'm okay. They've been playing a lot more than I have this season. Thanks, man. I hope that nothing bad happens here in this mystery. Raggy. Alright. So we're gonna nickname this Scooby-Doo. No reason at all. Oh my gosh, it's basically no damage. Yeah, I'm not used to playing with this character. Oh my gosh, there's already like levels higher than me, which is crazy. Okay, good. I don't know we should. Oh, there. Okay. I should probably leave. Please don't kill me. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh. I just narrowly lived that. That is kinda crazy. Get back here. Oh, frozen. Oh, no, that's nothing. Screw you. Seems like a lot of fun. Kinda is, but I'm getting destroyed right now. Oh, no. That's not good. Reggie, we're not doing too fine. So basically, I'm a semi-defender Pokemon at the moment, thanks to my moves that I've chosen. My Azumarill buddy here is not doing too good right now. Yikes. I'm taking some heavy damage. That was more like buff. Nope. Oh, hey, we got one. We got the main hitter. I'll take some hits for you now. I'm gonna leave Raleigh. Hold him down. Okay. Stop. Oh no. Did I have my fire? I thought you were better than this. I don't know what that was all about, but I hope it doesn't happen again. This one seems like it might be good. Oh damn, that was pretty good actually. Your judgment was correct. But I think I'm dead now. Yep, I'm dead. Okay, that's all. Why are you going outside the circle? Don't go outside the circle. You see, the circle keeps him alive because it heals him. Even if that heals like little, it keeps him alive. Stay out of here. Yeah, let's take some levels. One more, I think, for me, and I get. No, I don't. Stay away. No, that's not a good idea. Unless, oh, he got it! He got it right before he died. That means that it could potentially kill him, but it could also just potentially be killed. but it does serve as a distraction for us, so it's fine, it's fine. Did they kill it? I don't know. It seems like they are about to. Oh, wait! Oh, yes, that's so good for us, but I don't, at the same time, I probably should get that. No, no, retreat, retreat. Yeah, it's too late. He's dead. Right off the pot, this ain't looking too good for us. Oh wait, no, bottom's doing pretty good, but we aren't. Why didn't they take? Oh, they got attacked at the final second. That's unfortunate. Buddy, I'd recommend leveling up right now, since we have the choice. Oh, they got killed! All of them? No, that's actually crazy. That's actually kind of crazy. Oh no, well that's a bit of a reveal, isn't it? Let's just quickly I hope I'll zoom out, but like I can't. I'm leveling up right now. Get back over here. Get his ass, boy. Get his ass. No, don't try and score. Oh my gosh, this man is gonna get us killed. Me and... Oh. Why did he try to score? He could have hit him instead. He could have tried, you know? He could have. I'm getting a second. It's a card. What the hell is that thing doing here? You're supposed to be bottom. Oh no. Oh no. I froze him, but I don't think that means much. Stay the fuck away from me. Hey. Jeez. You're too late, buddy. I'm forced to do this because my Azuma teammate doesn't know what to do. Oh no, he could win that battle. I swear, if he doesn't, that'd be quite sad. Okay, just let me... Oh gosh! That was so close! Okay, we got this, we got this. If we somehow don't win this, that'd be crazy. There you go, there you go, there you go. Oh, that's all we needed, that's all we needed. That's so cash money. Oh, that's so cash money. Okay. Push her, no, run. Run. I got you. Okay, yep, you could go for him. You could definitely kill him. Come on, kill him. Oh my god. Are you up there? Purple lips. It seems I gotta go bottom. Oh, maybe. Okay, maybe not anymore. Or maybe? Oh yeah, okay, bottom it is. Oh my gosh! Holy moly! Yeah, okay, that was a good call. On me. Me too? What's going on up there? What's going on up there? Okay, I'm dead. But hey, at least I did some. I managed to hold them off enough for these guys to pop up, which is amazing. Look at that! Yo! I clutched this up so goddamn good. I would say kind of score, but it's not to defeat the chicken. Yeah, we are a bit of trouble, aren't we? Oh, hey buddy, what do you think you're doing? Oh crap, he's killing me. That's what he's doing. Oh crap, he's really killing me. Thank you for saving my life. Oh, I'm dead. Now he's end up dying, huh? Azumaro! Oh! Okay, yeah, that's a GG. Okay, time scar. Okay. Just, what are you guys doing? Why are you guys so slow? Oh, that makes a lot of sense. They're like all about to die. I'll defend for them. I'll make them happy wearing, you know? Where do you think you're going, buddy? Buddy, where do you think you're going? Chili dogs. Anyway, skedaddle. They're all dead! But they managed to do what I wanted them to do, so that's good. Now I just gotta defend against 5 people. 4. My bad. I killed one of them. Okay. First one's coming from down here. Oh, not the best idea to go to. That's unfortunate. Stay dead. Stay dead. Okay. Oh my gosh, never mind. Never mind. This guy thinks he could just like pop up to me and just proceed to demolish me. Well, he's wrong, buddy. He's very wrong. I'm not gonna let him do that. Okay, now I gotta go. Oh wait, they're all dead. Oh shit. Alright, keep pressure on. Oh, I just realized I have a bit of an aura. That's kind of crazy. But anyway. Jeez. I think we won. Let's see. Bam! Whoa! So close. Yeah. GG's, yeah. Nice. Anyway, those were the 2 games with 2 Pokemon I don't play usually as much with. And time for the mandatory gambling section that we have at the end of these type of videos. Let's get in there. I think I should do this type of gambling. Nothing too good. Once again. Oh wait, actually this is pretty good. And the final one. Okay. Could have been better gambling session, but I'll take it. What's this? I'll probably do this grind off camera. But yeah, that's video, and bye-bye.